Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the setup safe and stable. Chock both sides of the trailer wheels so nothing can roll. This holds the trailer when you release the tongue. Next, lower the trailer jack until the coupler lifts clear of the hitch ball. This removes tongue weight and prevents sudden drops. While you do that, unplug the electrical connector and unhook safety chains. This avoids strain and electrical shorts once the trailer is free. Once the coupler is off the ball, raise the latch and lock it open with the pin or clip so it cannot snap shut. Then remove the hitch pin or locking mechanism from the receiver. Set those parts aside where you will find them. Drive the tow vehicle forward in short, controlled increments, 1 to 2 feet at a time, while you watch the coupler clear the ball. Make sure a spotter guides you and you stop as soon as the trailer moves free. Lower the trailer jack onto a firm block to fully support the tongue, and then secure the coupler latch so it cannot catch or fall. Replace the hitch ball dust cover and store pins in a labeled pouch. Reconnect safety chains and electrical plug only when you are about to tow again. If the coupler sticks on the ball, apply penetrating oil, raise the jack a little to relieve pressure, tap the latch with a rubber mallet, and then attempt separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.